Ever wanted cafe-style drinks at home? Now you can! Introducing the Techies Mini Milk Frother, your go-to for instant froth and smooth mixes. Whether it's creamy coffee, frothy milkshakes, or fluffy eggs, this battery-powered frother delivers perfection every time. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Upgrade your mornings with Techies, where convenience meets quality. Say goodbye to lumpy beverages and hello to delicious cafe-style drinks at home. This is why you need the Techies Portable Mini Juicer. Fresh juice anywhere, anytime. Imagine this, you're out and about craving a fresh smoothie. No worries, the Techies Portable Mini Juicer has got you covered. Compact, lightweight, and USB rechargeable, it's your new best friend for quick, nutritious drinks. Just toss in your favorite fruits, hit the button, and boom, instant refreshment in seconds. Whether you're at the gym, the office, or even on a hiking trail, this mini marvel fits right in your bag. Healthy living on the go has never been easier. Say goodbye to sugary, store-bought juices and hello to fresh, homemade goodness. With Techies, you're not just blending drinks, you're blending convenience and health. Why are there not more people talking about this LED light speaker? It's a game changer. Combining powerful sound with vibrant LED lights, this sleek black beauty sets the perfect vibe for any occasion. Crystal clear audio? Check. Dynamic visuals? Double check. Whether you're throwing a wild party or chilling with friends, this speaker's got you covered. Plus, it's portable and boasts a long-lasting battery, so the fun never stops. Get yours now for just $2,500 and let the music shine. Elevate your audio experience today.
You need to hear this if you're a home chef. Tired of the endless stirring and whisking? Meet your new best friend, the Techies Portable Hand Mixer. Lightweight, efficient, and oh so easy to use, this little beauty is your ultimate kitchen companion. Whipping cream, mixing batters, or frothing milk? No problem. Say goodbye to bulky stand mixers and hello to convenience. With multiple speed settings and ergonomic design, Techies makes it effortless. And did I mention it's compact enough to fit in your drawer? Save time, save effort, and make your kitchen game stronger than ever.
If your car looks like a spaghetti junction of cables, you're in need of Techies. Meet the Techies 15W magnetic car wireless charger. Say goodbye to tangles and hello to sleek, effortless charging. Just snap your phone on and enjoy blazing fast 15W wireless power. It's secure, stylish, and oh so convenient. Drive smarter, charge faster.